Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use VPN on Android. So let's go to our settings. When you click on your settings, go here and just click on more connection on your Android. When you click on this, this is VPN, just click on VPN and this is it. There's no currently VPN and I'll add it to my phone. So if you wanted to add any VPN here, just click on OK and click on plus money button here. Click on this plus menu button, but this my phone is not accepted for any VPN, so just click OK. So is it. You can now set this your fingerprint, set everything that you'll be able to set up your VPN. But I believe you have to go and download a VPN that you wanted to use on your phone, and this is an extra way to choose your data, extra way to use your internet, more privacy. That's what about VPN is all about. But I don't need all this one on my phone now. So if you want to use a VPN on your phone, and just go to a Chrome browser and search for any VPN that is suitable for your phone, then just install it. So you come back here to add it to your phone, and you'll be able to use your VPN on your phone. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.